In this video, I'm going to talk about all the things that you want to avoid when flipping a car for profit. Number one, you want to avoid overpaying for a used car deal. Never overpay for a used car deal. Always do your proper due diligence and always know how much you can get back before you purchase the vehicle. So always know how much you should offer. Always know prices of all the repairs that has to go into the vehicle, and always know how much you can actually resell the vehicle for. That will help you to avoid overpaying for a deal. Next thing, always negotiate to get the very best price on a used car deal, right guys? Do not ever not negotiate, because then you won't get the very best price for the deal. And always bring cash. You want to avoid not having cash. Always bring cash to a used car deal. It's a great negotiation tactic, and it's more likely that you will get the deal if you brought cash, and it's also more likely that you'll get the deal for the best price when you have cash in hand, okay? Number two thing you want to avoid when flipping a car for profit is overpaying for repairs, okay guys? Check this out. You can do more things yourself than you may know. Perhaps you're not mechanically inclined. Perhaps you've never worked on a car before. Before I got started flipping cars for profit, all I knew was that a car needed gas. Seriously, I never was under an engine. I was never under a car. I didn't do any of that stuff. However, you want to avoid overpaying for repairs. There are things that you can do yourself that you may not know. For example, you can do your own detailing if the car isn't that dirty. Well, if it's terribly dirty, you could take it to the local detailer person. But for most cars, you could probably vacuum it out and clean it out yourself. Body work. What you would learn over time is you could actually do body work. The YouTube tutorials are there. You got to paint a hood or repair some rust. You're actually more capable of these repairs than you may know, because you probably just never done it before. And mechanically, if you're not mechanically inclined, I do not recommend you trying to do brakes or anything, or wheel bearing or anything that is a major repair, because I don't want you to do it wrong and then, somebody be in a dangerous situation when they're driving. So mechanically, you can outsource, but don't overpay for it, right? And some things, just always remember that perhaps you can do it yourself. Perhaps you can learn how to do an oil change. And then the next thing is get the very best price for any repair. You don't want to overpay for repairs, guys. Get the very best price. Go to the very best mechanics or the local mechanic down the road. Don't go to the chain mechanic places, because they will charge absolute max dollar, and there's always somebody who could do the work for a lot cheaper than those commercial places, okay? The next thing you want to avoid when flipping a car for profit is selling the car for less than you deserve. Guys, you want to make on average $2,000 per car flip, right? We're here to make money. So on average, you want to make $2,000 in profit per car flip. There will be some cars where you may have to make a little less, like $1,500 or so. Never accept anything under $1,500 when flipping a car for profit. But on average, you will make $2,000 per car, and just strive to make more than that. Strive to make the max dollar you can on each and every single car flip, okay? So you want to totally avoid selling for less than you deserve. Don't do it, okay? And last thing that you want to avoid when flipping a car for profit is holding on to a deal for too long, okay guys? I go over this in detail. Just click the link in bio and I will give you all the secrets to sell a car quickly. You want your cars in and out as quickly as you get them in. You want them out. Why? Because that's how you earn your money. Avoiding costly mistakes like the ones that I just mentioned is crucial when it comes to flipping cars for profit, because the more mistakes that you can avoid, the more profit you will earn in the quickest amount of time. And that is what it's all about. Making huge profits quickly so you can quit that job, so you can become your own boss, so that you can become financially free. If you would like me to help you find deals in your local area for free today, please click the link in the bio and we will discuss in great detail how you can find some deals and profit off them right away to avoid some of the mistakes that I just mentioned. Okay guys, take action today. I hope to see you inside of the free training. Stay wealthy, and I will see you soon.